Morning students. So I last class had completed example number I think 24 or 25 completed. So now start example number 26. Example number 26. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. In a survey of 400 students, apple juice like given 100 students. So let A such that students who likes apple juice and next and taking and 150 are taking an orange juice. Suppose B students who likes orange juice and 75 were listed taking both orange juice. So here given number of A, that is apple juice like 100, and number of B, that is orange juice like 150, and both, that is number of A intersection B, is equal to 75. Now question is, what is the value of 400? In a survey of 400 students, it is not necessary all 400 students liked apple juice or orange juice, in which some those students which are like not both pay, that is or like orange juice or like apple juice. Also given, find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. जैसे दैट इज इसमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो एप्पल जूस और ऑरेंज जूस लाइक नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो दिस 400 स्टूडेंट्स इज नॉट नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी. दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट. सो 400 द वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर ऑफ यू 400. Here find how many students were taking neither juice nor orange juice. That is find neither apple juice, that is A dash, or that is union orange juice, that is B dash. ये find करनी है. Sorry, and taking neither apple juice nor orange juice, that is and, that is intersection. So find here number of A dash intersection B dash. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. That is नहीं तो वो apple juice like कर रहे हैं और नहीं तो वो orange juice like कर रहे हैं. That is A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash, since number of A dash intersection B dash can retain number of A union B whole dash by using De Morgan's law. Number of A union B whole dash is equal to, this can retain A dash intersection B dash by De Morgan's law, and this can retain 1 minus number of here dash, that is this can retain number of U minus number of, that is this can retain number of U minus number of A union B, because A dash can retain, A dash is equal to U minus A. So A union B whole dash equal to number of U minus number of A union B, and number of U given 400, and use formula number of A union B. Formula is number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Put all the values. So 400 minus number of A. So the value of number of A is 100, number of B 150, and number of A intersection B is 75. Now simplify. So 400 minus 250 minus 75, 250 minus 75, so 175, and 400 minus 175 is 225. So there are 225 students who like nor apple juice or orange juice, neither apple juice nor orange juice. 225 students. Now example number 27. Example number 27. 27 is, there are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. 200 individual with a skin disorder, 120 given had been exposed to the chemical C1. That is, number of C1 is equal to 120. Had been exposed C1 50 to chemical C2. That is, number of C2 is equal to 50. And 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. That is, number of C1 intersection C2 is equal to 30. Find the number of individual exposed. Here what is 200? There are 200 individual with a skin disorder. That is, this 200 is 200 given, here not given chemical C1 or chemical C2. There are 200 individual with a skin disorder. It is not given taking chemical C1 or chemical C2. So this is the value of universal set. So this is the number of U is equal to 200. Find the number of individual exposed chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. That is, find number of C1 minus C2. First, number of C1 minus C2, that is, number of chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second, chemical C2 but not C1. That is, second, find number of C2 minus C1. And third, chemical C1 or chemical C2. That is, number of C1 union C2, or that is union. So first find number of C1 minus C2. Solution. Since C1 minus C2, since this is the Venn diagram, suppose this is C1 and this one is C2. C1 minus C2, this part is C1 minus C2, and this can written, and this is the intersection part, that is C1 intersection C2. So since number of C1 can written, because this part is the C1 minus C2, so this can written, or direct C is equal to, since set C1 is equal to C1 minus C2 union C1 intersection C2, because this part is the C1 minus C2 and this part intersection part C1 intersection C2. If taking both are union set, then becomes whole, that is C1, and this two sets are disjoint, no any common element between C1 minus C2 and C1 intersection C2. So therefore number of C1 is equal to number of C1 minus C2 union C1 intersection C2. Taking n of both sides, and suppose this set is A and this whole set suppose B. So use formula number of A union B, this equal to number of C1 minus C2 and plus number of C1 intersection C2, because number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B if A and B are disjoint. Disjoint means there is no any common element between that two sets. So here C1 minus C2 and this set both are disjoint. Since C1 minus C2 and C1 intersection C2 are disjoint. Disjoint means having no any common element, because this part is the C1 minus C2 and this one is the C1 intersection C2. So there are no any common element. Now put the values. Now put value. So number of C1 is equal to number of C1 120. So number of C1 is equal to 120 is equal to number of C1 minus C2 plus C1 intersection C2 given 30. So number of C1 minus C2 is equal to 120 minus 30 is equal to 90. Similarly, you find number of C2 minus C1, same as now find C1 union C2. Simply use formula C1 union C2, number of C2 minus number of C1 intersection C2. So second, third, easy. So now start exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. First easy, all are given. Find the fourth term. Second also. Third, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 speak English. How much people can speak both Hindi and English? That is, find the intersection. Fourth, S and T are two sets such that S given, T given, intersection given. How many does element of S union T? Use formula and put the remaining value. Fifth, X, Y are two sets such that X given 40 element, X union Y given, X intersection also given. How many elements of Y? Same as formula, put the values. 6, in a group 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, each person like at least one of the two drink. How many people like both coffee and tea? That is, find C intersection T, and all are given. Find C intersection T. 7th. So question 1 to 6 homework. Question number 7th. Only use formula number of A union B, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B, and 3 terms are given, and find the 4th term, that is remaining term. Question number 7th. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. So cricket suppose C. So number of C is equal to 40. 10 like both tennis and cricket. Number of C intersection T, T for tennis, is equal to 10. how many like 10 and 60 in a group of 65 people. So group, that is C union T, is equal to given 65. In a group of, इसी group में से 10 only cricket or ना cricket, sorry 40 cricket and 10 cricket and 10 is both, and total student given 65. Find how many like tennis only. That is first question, find number of how many like tennis only. So number of tennis only, number of tennis only. Now tennis only and not cricket. Here find how many like tennis only, not cricket. That is number of T minus C. That is only tennis, not cricket. How much like tennis? Also find number of T also. So T minus C. अब ये प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल में फॉर्मूला बताएं. सिंस नंबर ऑफ टी या सेट टी इज इक्वल टू टी माइनस सी यूनियन टी इंटरसेक्शन सी. यह प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल में यह वेन डायग्राम से प्रूफ किए हैं. सिंस टी इज इक्वल टू टी माइनस सी यूनियन टी इंटरसेक्शन सी and both are disjoint. So number of T is equal to number of T minus C union T intersection C. And since T minus C and T intersection C, suppose this set is A and this one suppose is B, both are disjoint. These two sets are disjoint set. So their intersection phi. So number of T is equal to, this can retain number of T minus C plus number of T intersection C. Since T minus C and T intersection C are disjoint. Here disjoint. Put the value. So number of T not given, T minus C also not given, T intersection C only given, only T intersection C given. T intersection C, find also use formula, this three part given, find number of T. Your number of T is not given. Suppose this equation 1. Since number of C union T is equal to number of C plus number of T minus number of C intersection T. So put all the values. Number of C union T is 65. Number of C is 40. Number of T not given. Number of C intersection T is 10. So 65, this 40 minus 10, 30, taking left side, is equal to number of T. So number of T is equal to 35. That is only tennis is 35. Now find number of T minus C. So first imply number of T 35, T minus C not given, and plus T intersection C, that is 10. Here C intersection T or T intersection C, both are same. So number of T minus C is equal to 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. So only tennis, not cricket, is equal to 25. This is question number 7th. And question number 8 is, question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French. So F, suppose set of people who speak French. So number of F given 50 people and 20 speak Spanish, that is number of S for Hispanic given 20 people, and 10 speak both, that is number of F intersection S is equal to 10. How many speak at least one of these two languages? How many speak at least one, that is find number of F union S. This is the at least one language speak. So here how many students, how many speak at least one of these language, that is find number of F union S. Simple is formula. So now example 28 and 29 easy. Now start example number 30. Example number 30. Miscellaneous example number 30. Miscellaneous example number 30. Here show that A union B is equal to A intersection B. This implies A is equal to B. That is your given A union B is equal to A intersection B given, and if A union B is equal to A intersection B implies A is equal to B, means if it is given A union B is equal to A intersection B, then show that A is equal to B. क्वेश्चन समझ रहे हो? It is given to show that A is equal to B. So it is given so that A is equal to B. For A is equal to B, आपको प्रूफ करना है A is equal to B. A is equal to B प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या शो करना होगा? First we show that set A is the subset of set B, and next set B is the subset of set A. If set A is subset of B, that is every element of set A belong in set B. Set B is the subset of set A, that is every element of set B belong in set A. So in combined form, this imply A is equal to B, that is both are equal set. So here A equal to B, first we show that A subset B, that is here show that every element of set A belong in B. So proof, let X be any element of set A, X be any element of set A. This imply this X belong in A union B, because A is the subset of A union B. A का सारा एलिमेंट A union B में होगा. If X belongs to A, then that X also belongs to A union B. So this imply and A union B is equal to given A intersection B. So this imply X belongs to A intersection B, because A union B is equal to given A intersection B, and this imply X belongs to A intersection B. This imply X must belong in set B, that is X belong in both sets, X must belong in set B. Since here suppose X belong in set A, and this imply X belong in set B. So therefore set A is the subset of set B. ये suppose कर लेंगे first. Similarly, so that set B is the subset of set A. Similarly, so that B is the subset of set A. अब सेम इसी टाइप से दिखा लोगे, एग्जाम में दिखाना होगा. सेम राइट, Y बिलोंग्स टू B, Y बिलोंग्स टू A यूनियन B, सेम स्टेप, मान लीजिए A के प्लेस पे B कर देना है. सेम इसी टाइप से प्रूफ करेंगे, एग्जाम में इसको प्रूफ करना है। सिमिलरली शो दैट B सबसेट A and from 1 and 2 A subset B and B subset A, that is A is equal to B. Proved. So exercise 1.6 homework आप इसको ट्राई करोगे। आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास मिसलेनियस एग्जाम्पल। ओके।